now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
All right, welcome back. Thanks for joining us here on this Wednesday evening. We've got some strong wind that did make it into the Helena Valley. A lot of times this time of year it just stays up at the Continental Divide and that level, but the wind got down into the valley. It's always windy around Great Falls this time of year. 48 degrees with wind gusting to 37 miles per hour. 30s, a few 40s, one or two 50s out there. And look at that wind. Many locations, not just out across the plains, but Bozeman's calm, but how about Butte and Dillon, Livingston, Great Falls, Lewistown, of course, Helena, windy as well. Look at the recent gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour in some places. A little precipitation trying to sneak in north and west of Helena. Great Falls, dry, should be dry, but most of this precipitation will stay along the Continental Divide and west of the Continental Divide. Look at west of the divide, how much precipitation there is all the way down into California here. We've got some rain moving up into the northeast. We're hoping to moves into the northeast to kind of rain on some of the wildfires there. So as we go through the night tonight, look at some of that snow again, just above Lincoln. Some snow down the divide, but east of the mountains, really not much here. As we go through the night, there may be a shower up on the high line, but not that much. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny with a lot of wind and a couple of snow showers in the mountains there. Some of this moisture sticks around here Thursday night into Friday morning as another low pressure will be working its way up here, and we'll start to see some cloud cover and some snow pushing in the direction of Helena and Lewistown and Great Falls by Friday afternoon. We'll see how far north that precipitation gets. But tonight into tomorrow morning, yeah, look at that, Rocky Mountain front, Continental Divide. And it's mainly west of the divide, not much east, until Friday night into Saturday morning. Maybe just south of Great Falls, maybe just south of Helena too. Lewistown could get a few inches, may even have a couple inches of snow. Northeast Montana through Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon. Tonight, a fairly mild night, 30s and 40s, windy as well. Not much precipitation east of the Continental Divide here, a little up on the divide. And then tomorrow, stray shower in the morning around Helena, a little mixed rain or snow shower. Rest of the day, windy, temperatures up into the 50s, almost 60, Glasgow and Jordan. A little tough to enjoy that though with the strong wind. Friday, here comes that next little area of low pressure. We'll have to see just how far north this moisture gets. It might stay just south of Helena, might come across the area and make its way as far north as Great Falls. But Friday evening, little snow, Friday night into Saturday. We're partly cloudy and blustery behind that system. And then Sunday, here comes the next storm. Cold front racing down the Continental Divide here with some snow showers Sunday night into Monday, and it will be cooler next week. We'll have a lot of wind on Monday. And Great Falls, maybe a little snow getting up into the Electric City Friday night. And then it's a windy weekend with some snow showers Sunday night into Monday.